Jinx. Today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, which I don't normally do because I'm only 10 years old. This is what I wear sometimes. So, first of all, I've got this. Where's the camera? There's the camera. Is this lipstick? I've got a purple lipstick as well, but I normally wear this one. Yeah, it's really cool. So, I've already put it on, so I don't need to put any more on. And you can just run up with this little thing and take it back on. So the next thing is, camera, is these perfumes. And that says Glamour. That one says Dazzling. Does that one say Glamour? Yeah, it does. This one is Beautiful. And I haven't used these much, really. I only used them a little bit because they're quite old, but I never used to wear them. Well, put them on. And this one says Glitter. And sometimes I wear this really lovely necklace, which is a butterfly on it. So this is the end of my video.